Hello friends, this is me, Abhishek Kumar, a pre-final year student pursuing BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Xavier Jalandhar. Here with me other two team members are Kundan Patel and Kamlesh Kumar. They are also my batchmates. We have conducted a survey on Internet of Medical Things under the guidance of Namlin Singh Rekhi, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, and Dr. Niru Malhotra, HOD, Department of ECE. The content are given as follow. Stress block diagram of device. Which sensor used in this device? Firstly, we will discuss about IoT, the Internet of Things. Describe physical object with sensor, processing ability, software and other technologies that connect and exchanges data with other devices and system over the Internet or other communication network. The aim of IoT is connect the whole world with IoT. These are the name of some industries and devices which are connected to IoT. Next slide is what is stress according to medical. The level of cortisol, which is a stress hormone, increase in the body. Due to this, the body is not able to remain in a state of rest and the brain remains active, make it difficult to sleep. This is the block diagram of device. In the middle is the Arduino Uno and the sensor on the left side, which is used in this device, and the channel or servers in the right side, and the LCD in top, which show the result. Next slide will be discussed by Kundan Patel.
Humidity sensor. A humidity sensor is an electronic device that measures the humidity in its environment and converts its finding into a corresponding electrical signal. Humidity sensor works by detecting change that alert electrical currents or temperature in the air. Next is blood pressure sensor. The heart supplies the organs and tissues of the bodies with blood. With every beat, it pumps blood into the large blood vessels of circulatory system. As the blood moves around the body, it puts pressure on the walls of the vessels. Typically, blood pressure monitor work by inflating a cuff until it temporarily cuts off blood flow through the brachial artery. The pressure is the cuff in, then slow released. Within the cuff, a sensor detects blood flow. Next is heartbeat sensor. Heartbeat sensor is designed to give digital output of heartbeat when a finger is placed on it. When the heartbeat detector is working, the beat LED flashes in unison with each heartbeat. This digital output can be connected to microcontroller directly to measure the beats per minute rate. Next sensor will be discussed by Kamlesh Kumar.
I am going to speak about GSR sensor. GSR sensor stands for galvanic skin response, is a method of measuring electrical conductance of the skin. A strong emotion can cause a stimulated to your sympathetic nervous system, resulting more sweat being secreted by the sweat glands. Grove GSR sensor used to spot such a strong emotion by simple attaching two electrode two finger on one hand. Then after application of GSR sensor, a GSR sensor allows us to measure sweat gland activity which is related to emotional arousal. Next slide is DHT11 sensor. In DHT11 sensor, the D means digital, H means humidity and T means temperature. So from this we can easily understand that this sensor is used to measure the temperature and humidity in the digital form. It is very popular in electronics project because it is very cheap but still providing great performance. Therefore, we usually prefer the sensor to measure the humidity and temperature. These sensors are mostly used in field management system and chemical management system. It is very important in weather application.
So this is our survey report. What is the benefit of tracking your sleep with a wearable healthcare device? So 39% people want to monitor state to optimize your sleep. Thank you.